Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. I'm going to show you technical analysis. I think more of a drop is coming for Bitcoin and the altcoin markets. Hopefully I'm wrong. We're going to see the technicals, predict what's going to happen. I'm going to also show you there's a link down below to Twitter. If you go to that Twitter post and you comment at Twitter or at Twitter support, I'm going to choose a winner of 300 USDT on tomorrow's video. There's been almost 360 people that have commented. We're trying to get the Magic Craft Twitter back, which is beautiful. I'm here in lovely Amsterdam, having an amazing time in a very beautiful restaurant right now. It's like, I'll show you, beautiful restaurant. Design is very epic. Beautiful place. So let's jump into technicals. Hit the subscribe button, join 68,000 subscribers, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So we're into the technicals. That's the total market cap of all cryptos. We're going to come back to that as well. On the 4-hourly charts, this is my path that I think is playing out for Bitcoin. So now is kind of the moment of truth. We had a big spike up today. It spiked up to up here. Where did it go? Or yesterday, 39,000. Almost $39,000 from that 3,000. The bottom was down here at 32,900, 33,000 to 39,000. Pretty big spike, almost 20%. Now, I think everyone went extremely bullish here, and I feel that's a mistake. Everyone went really bullish here on a big downtrend, and what I see forming here is a bear flag. This is the pole, this is the flag, and I think we've got more to fall. The distance of the pole, my target is actually a waterfall sell-off down to 30K. I have a short position open on Bitcoin. Stochastic is overbought, heading down. A lot of volume was prior. Down here, there was a lot of volume, you can see here. But the volume's actually been dropping off the last few days. So the price is trying to make higher highs, while the volume is dropping. Also, another bearish sign is we had a kind of double top here. Everyone see this double top formation? And a second one. So here and here was a double top, and that's not a good sign. So that could be a bearish pattern. My target is the 30K. At 30K, I'm going to add a lot of position to Bitcoin. I bought some Bitcoin here at the 35K because I don't want to exactly time the bottom. It's better to start laddering in. Now, why I also think is we're in a downtrend. If I go to the daily candles, if you don't know what this is, join my 6,000 students. You can learn in the crypto course. The link is down below. What we're in here, you can see on the dailies, a clearly descend. We've got two bearish patterns that we're playing out here. Giant head and shoulder pattern that's falling to the downside and already broke that major trend line. I was actually going short a lot here and talking about this break, but it didn't hold. It held up there. It was manipulated to hold up, by the way. It didn't naturally hold up there. And then it finally broke through, as I was expecting. A lot of volume coming in. The last few days, but the volume spiked when it came down here at 32 and everyone went bullish and bought back in. But as you can see, the volume's starting to drop. So everyone went extremely bullish, but I think it's still a bear flag. And another thing to keep in mind, if you're going bullish and longing Bitcoin, see this white line? This is the bear trend that we entered back on November 11th. We went into the bear market when I called the top exactly on 11th of November. And we've been trending down on this white line. See this white line? And until we break this white line, we're bearish and we expect that the trend continues. If we break above, test the white line, bounce with volume, then the bear trend is finished. But at the moment, I think we're still bearing. But we are closer to the bottom than the top. If you sold everything up here, I warned everyone, I told everyone there's going to be a big waterfall sell-off at the 11th of November. I sold everything the next day. Now we're closer to the bottom. So now is the time to actually start being, if you sold up there with me, now, in my opinion, you have to always do your own due diligence. And this is what I'm doing in the markets, but I'm starting to add positions here. I bought some Bitcoin here. I'm still going short on a Bitcoin trade down to the 30K, but at 30K and lower, potentially even the 19K, I'm going to be adding a lot of Bitcoin in this area. I'm going to be buying back a lot. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. EMA ribbons, we're way below the EMA ribbons right now. Oh, actually, we're trying to retest them. Look, on the daily, we're trying to retest these yellow EMA ribbons. But usually, since we've been in this downtrend, it's been rejecting off these EMA ribbons every time. So that's a sign that we could be dropping more. On the Crypto Guru alert bot, We went into a sell. You get this in the crypto course also in the link down below. We went into a sell. It almost called the exact day of the top like I did, which is interesting. The Crypto Guru bot is a bot that you get in the crypto course. It's the sell-off. I called the 11th of November was the top, and I closed all positions. But the crypto bot called the sell-off on, it went to sell on the 18th of November, and we dropped from 63K all the way down to 32K, and it's still red. It hasn't flipped to a buy. It's still sell and red the whole time. And that's the Crypto Guru bot is really a nice alert system on the daily candles, because as you can see here, back in earlier than 2021, it called a buy when we were at 9K, and went blue, and it went all the way up to 64K. And then it called sell, and then it dropped. So on the daily, it's a really accurate indicator in my opinion. And we're still sell, we're still red, and we're still heading down, no matter if everyone's going bullish already. The total cryptocurrencies, let's jump into the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies now. To look at the total value of all the crypto markets. So this is the total market cap of all cryptos. Also on the crypto bot, it's saying sell on all cryptos, which it did on the 11th of November as well, and it hasn't flipped to a blue buy yet. So keep this in mind. It's still saying sell. EMA ribbons, we are also, I don't know why the internet is a little bit, we're also below the EMA ribbons coming to retest. Interestingly, the stochastic on the all cryptocurrencies, so the altcoins, is heading up. So it's not overbought like it is on Bitcoin, which I find interesting. Let's check out the 4-hourly. What's going to happen to the total market cap of all cryptos, all cryptocurrencies, all coins, Bitcoin in the next few hours, in the next few days? On the 4-hourly, it is overbought, turning to head down, and volume slightly dropping off. I'm also seeing a similar the internet is a little bit slow in this. One moment. It's also looking bearish. Did it load yet? Okay, it's looking bearish also on that. Also, if you want to, underneath this video, there's a link down here to a Twitter post. Hi Twitter, the huge play-to-earn game Magicraft Twitter is down. It has a huge following and many people involved. Please fix ASAP. So I've got a competition right now. If you go to this tweet, the link is in the description and pinned comment. There's already been 363 people that have commented to get this Twitter back. Make sure you at Twitter and you at Twitter support and comment on this tweet. More than 300 people. I'm going to pick a winner of 300 USDT. And our goal is to get the Magicraft game Twitter back. So message something like this, and you can just see we've got a lot of people already commenting, which is beautiful. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do underneath this video, hit this thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and the Bitcoin trading Bybit link down below. If you go to this link, sign up, you get a sign up bonus 4,100 USD. You need to deposit Bitcoin to get this bonus. And if you sign up using this link, you'll then open Bybit, and this is what I'm using for my trading and my investing and buying in crypto, one of my accounts. I also use Binance, I also use Kraken, I also use all of them almost. But this is one of my favorites. Why is the internet so laggy here? Oh, okay, now it wasn't laggy, it was the internet was actually switched off. So let's refresh this. So in this account, I've got $99,473, 2.6 Bitcoin. One Bitcoin I bought at 35K, which is beautiful. I'm going to add more. 55,000 USDT. I've got some caster in here, and I've got a short position on Bitcoin down 9.3%, $46. But I'm going to keep that open. But it's just a small one. My goal is not to be shorting Bitcoin here, everyone. It's just a small short because I think we got more to drop. My goal is once it does drop down to the 30K area, is to start accumulating. Even now, buying some at 35 is to start accumulating Bitcoin as much as possible when we go down lower into these levels. It's a very nice place, in my opinion, for the long term. I do think we are going lower, though. And again, make sure you go to that Magicraft link, the Twitter link down below in the comment description, and comment to get the tagging Twitter and at Twitter support. Let's get this Magicraft Twitter back. And you're all amazing, everyone. Have a beautiful day, a beautiful weekend with your family. Be good to people. Give 10% of your pay, 10% of your income, whatever it is per day. So say you make $100 that day, give 10% to charity. So if you see a homeless person, if you see an old person, give them $10 if you made $100 that day. If you made $10,000 that day, 10% of your income to charity. So if you make $10,000 today, take $1,000 and give it to a homeless person or an old person, or help someone, or fund it to a charity. this is just a general good tip, and it helps with your abundance. Actually, it's quite remarkable. Help people, be kind to people, and have a beautiful day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.